are they, Ozzy? Stop! Hello? Do I know you?
No, I wouldn't think so. Name and purpose of visit, please.
I'm Joe, and this.
Ah, you must be Ozzy, the famous Ozzy from Dizzy Deliveries.
Do I know you?
As I mentioned, no, I don't think so. Anyway, have a wonderful day, Ozzy, and your friend Joe, is it? You may proceed.
Come on, Ozzy. Let's go.
Dad.
Ah, there you are, Henry.
Dad.
And you must be Vicky.
Hello, Joe.
I have deliveries for you.
Good. We're going to do a football training session with the GAA All-Stars. But first, let's go to the gym.
I love football.
Blah.
Well, we're waiting on some cones. We need them for the beep test.
Cones? My first delivery! Wait here! Cones.
No! We need cones to put on the ground to run around.
Ah. Here. Cones.
Yes. Let's get started. You keep going. You put one here? Good job. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Oh.
Keep going.
Come on. Dad.
Yes, but I'm thirsty.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
What would you like?
Oh, no. No.
Water now?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's some water. Bye.
Bye.
See you later, sweet potato.
Oh, oh, Dad.
Ah, thank you, Henry.
Oh,
Are
Dad.
you okay,
Dad,
Joe?
no.
Yes, I'm very thirsty. Hello, everyone. Come on.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Are you ready for training?
Yeah.
Joe, I think we need some bibs.
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 Oh, Bibs! My third delivery! Wait here! Oh! Ah! Bibs!
They're baby bibs.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Diz. Oh. Let's play ball. €1,000 a week.
Ready? Ready?
Joe's bad and gone. Nah, you're the best.